How to log out Insta ID from other devices. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can log out of your Instagram ID from other devices, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. If you'd like to log out of your Instagram account from other devices, it's very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application, come to your profile page here, tap the three lines option, and then just go to settings. And once you go to settings, go to this option called security. One way that you can log out all the devices is by simply changing your password. So you can go to password section, enter the current password and re-enter the new password, tap the check option, and once you change your password, all the devices that are currently logged in will have to enter the new password which they won't know, and they'll get automatically signed out. The other way you can do it is by simply going to this login activity section. When you go to login activity section, you'll be able to see all the devices that are logged in, and then you can just select that specific three dots option, tap the logout option in order to log out of that device. So over here, the other thing that you can do is you can also just come to save login info to delete any of the login info that has actually been saved from other devices. This way you can log out your Insta ID from other devices. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.